Welcome to my channel. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa aking video ngayon. Araw na to, Sunday.
Head northeast on Chase Road west towards Mary Lane South. In 200 yards, turn right onto Harwich Road.
Ayan po tayo. Sana mag-enjoy kayo.
Take the next right onto Harwich Road.
Tayo naman ay nagtatrabaho. Tayo ay nasa England, UK. Ay, playground pala yun doon.